Hi, I'm Kevin Ruby, Product Manager for Fans at Horton. It's my pleasure to introduce you to Horton's line of H-Tech fans. As the name implies, they are not metal or nylon. They are designed with a thermoset engineered composite material to solve customer challenges in demanding large fan applications. In effect, they are quieter, more efficient, and extremely durable. Today, we're going to focus on durability. Let's watch the demonstration. What you're seeing is a 1-inch rock striking our composite blade while at speed. An impact like this one on nylon could initiate a crack, and on metal, corrosion. Constructed of a one-piece blade design, our composite fans do not crack, and they're impervious to corrosion and fretting. These are common challenges in harsh environments like mining and construction. And, unlike nylon, strikes like these do not affect the composite structural integrity either. Quite simply, our composite fans have a higher strength-to-weight ratio than metal or nylon, and they provide a better solution to both. If your products are operating in harsh environments and are susceptible to debris impacts and corrosives, then Horton's thermoset engineered composite fans are the answer. I invite you to call Horton today to explore our line of H-Tech fans. They're quieter, more efficient, and extremely durable. Thank you.